A big question that a lot of people have is whether there's a guessing penalty on the SAT. A lot of you probably know that there is one, but a lot of you may not know exactly what that means. If I were to say, if you got it down to 2 questions or 2 answer choices, would you guess? Most people would say yeah. If I said, if you got it down to 3, would you guess? Again, most people will say yes. At this point, it gets a little bit dicey, because if you only eliminate 1 answer choice, most people won't guess. They're a little bit intimidated, but let me tell you exactly what the guessing penalty means. If you get a question correct, you get 1 point towards your raw score, and if you get a question incorrect, they'll take off 1/4 point. So if we go back to our friends the monkeys that we talked about earlier, the monkey we decided would get a question right 20% of the time because he's guessing randomly. So if I were to have 5 questions with 5 answer choices apiece, statistically speaking, what will happen is that I'm going to get 1 of these questions correct, and I'm going to get 4 of these questions wrong. So what happens for our raw score is that you get 1 point for the question that you got correct, and then for the 4 questions that you got wrong, they'll take 1/4 point off for each. So what we're left with is +1 and -1, which basically just equals 0. So random guessing won't affect your score on the SAT. It won't raise your score, and it won't lower your score. The thing that's important for you to realize is that aggressive guessing is extremely important. Anytime you can eliminate even 1 answer choice, it will help your score by guessing aggressively. And it actually reminds me, who does better on the SAT, women or men? Oddly enough, it's guys. You know, we kick women's asses for whatever reason. But if you look at it from another point of view, if you track GPAs in college, women are way better than guys. You know, their GPAs are here, ours are down here. So what's going on? One thing that some people propose is that it's our old friend testosterone. Women are more circumspect, and they know that there's a guessing penalty. So even though they might be able to cross off a couple of answer choices, they think, ooh, there's a guessing penalty, I better not guess. Whereas guys, with our testosterone, we're just thinking, screw it, B, whatever, and we guess. So over the course of an entire test, that might be worth 70 or 80 points just by aggressively guessing. And what that means is looking for incorrect answers on questions, eliminating them, and guessing aggressively.